Nice try! Like I didn't see that coming!
Fuck!
Here's our ticket out of here. They got him in a cell made out of sports because it's the opposite of story.
What is my purpose?
To wait until I tell you to pull the lever.
You are fucking kidding me.
Careful, Morty. Stay clear of his retcon range till he agrees to help us.
Rick, you've always trusted me.
Nice try. Here's how it's gonna work.
If you don't free me right now, Rick, I can make very, very bad things always have been the case for you.
Is that a threat, you fuck? You can rot in there. Rick!
You always were able to be killed with coffee. There's never been anything outside this fortress.
God damn it!
And this fortress
Has always been an orange.
Fuck! I have royally fucked us.
Oh, least earned death ever.
Death is a threshold.